Yeah, hurry up. Because, I don't know, things might be changing. Yeah, I think Balboa Park was like burning too. Because it's hot now. With Santa Ana winds. Do you see anything yet?
Not yet.
April Fools.
To me, that's not funny.
It is funny.
No, it's not. That's it. I'm going back.
No, don't leave
Hey,
me.
you're sorry ass funny. I have to put up with this shit. You put that on. You're gonna post it up all on Facebook, Instagram, X.
April Fools. You got, dude. Oh my God.